Hi friends and new friends. You know, Dash has a serious claim for being a digital cash for the world. It has private, instant, secure transactions, and it has a very thriving ecosystem. But there's one thing missing, and that's the Dash platform, which aims to make digital currency as easy to use as PayPal or Venmo. But that's coming up right now, and there's an exciting ecosystem around it. Lots of developers that are trying to make the latest and greatest dApps. So today we're going to do a quick tour of this ecosystem, and we're going to do a test drive of an early dApp. I'm Christopher Carruthers, also known as Tao of Satoshi, and you're watching Cash Alternative TV. So what is Cash Alternative TV, other than that catchy jingle? Well, it's a show about cryptocurrency with a focus on Dash, which aims to be a digital cash for the world, an alternative to cash. If that's something that you're interested in, you want to learn more about Dash, or just want to hang out with me some more, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss an episode. Now onto the topic of today's show. After a couple of slow years, Dash development is on another level here in 2020. The Dash platform ecosystem is thriving and rolling. Here are some of the exciting things that Dash platform will make possible. Human-readable usernames rather than addresses, which will be stored in the innovative Dash platform name service. To use the dApps in the Dash ecosystem, one username and password will be all that's required. A decentralized API to make everything accessible from whatever device you're currently using. User experiences that have been reserved for centralized servers like those of PayPal and Venmo, but seem so far away for digital currencies such as Bitcoin, will be standard in the Dash ecosystem. Data contracts will be hosted on a separate chain called Platform Chain. Computing power would be provided by each dApp's centralized server, but all associated data would be stored on the network for easy access. This, among other supporting features, means that there's no shortage of work to do. But there exists a strong support network for core and third-party developers. Dash developer README, with this announcement on Twitter, announced a new website for Dash developers to get information from. Let's take a look at it. It's a hub of Dash platform communication and documentation. Some of the items you will find on this super informative page are articles about Dash platform, a section on the decentralized API, a documentation portal, tools to get you started in the ecosystem, videos, and a list of bounties that are being offered for the creation of dApps and other aspects of Dash platform. So the Dash network places a huge importance on the development of Dash platform because it's one step closer to getting us to the mainstream. We already have a beautiful transaction system, we just need to make it easy to use. So to this end, they funded some treasury proposals. Here are two of them right now. One focuses on development and the other one focuses on information. There's a Dash platform incubator and a merchant directory proposal. So all of this has led to a few early dApps, one of which I'm going to try out today. There's going to be no editing of the process because I believe in being truthful and seeing if it works. Let's see how it goes, right now. Well, this is exciting. I'm going to be trying an early dApp that was posted on Reddit, and I'm going to see if I can do it. As anybody in the community knows, if you don't know me, but if you're in the community, you know that I'm a dummy. So I'm going to be doing this with unedited and just going through it live from Reddit, just coming up off the street and saying, "Well, I wanted to see what Dash platform is all about." And I'm going to be going through it right now, so let's see what's up. So here's the Reddit page. It says live on EvoNet, no Dash knowledge to a funded wallet and Dash platform username in less than 2 minutes. So let's test it out. There's the link here, easydora.io. So it says, what is Dora? Dora is a Dash contract for storing front-end code, HTML or React components in the Dash platform, and a UI for displaying that front-end code with the Dash platform integrated. And it says, while somewhat inefficient, doing this has the following benefits. It's 100% censorship resistant. Websites and domains can be blocked or taken down at the request of the Chinese CCP or other authoritarian governments. The Dash platform cannot. Safer for end users. A single wallet built for all dApps and a consistent user interface. No need to trust individual dApp creators. And a better developer experience. Build dApps using tools you already use without having to get into the nitty-gritty of the Dash platform. And he says, going further, connecting the dots, once we've got a basic implementation of Dora working, it makes sense to then add a contract designer into the Dora UI to allow easier dApp development. A create React app-like tool that makes building a fully featured dApp almost as simple as building any React website. And this could then allow NPM component libraries, all hosted within the Dash platform. Micropayments for using these components could be a good way to fund developers working within the platform. The end result of this is a new layer of internet. uncensorable, transparent, easily extendable with a lightning fast decentralized payment layer fully baked in. Alright, so I'm Christopher Carruthers, as you know. I'm Tao of Satoshi as my screen name, and I'm kind of known as a dummy in the Dash community, not very technically minded. So let's see if I can get this working. So at the top it says, your account is not fully set up. It's complete setup to get the most out of Dora. So let's do it. To interact with the Dash platform, you need a wallet. So I'm going to create a new wallet because I don't have one for the Dash platform. So it says creating your wallet. Remember, this is going to be all unedited. This is the actual experience that I'm going through trying this dApp. And this is on the Dash platform, so that's cool. I have to write these down, so I'm going to write them down. Just need a pen. So this is the experience that you would have when you're going into this. Stool, slot, again, flight, urge, October, plastic, month, carpet, expand, canyon, and kangaroo. I did a class project in grade 6 about kangaroos. I did a public speaking, and I went through all the different classes, and I was doing my public speaking classes about kangaroos, so that's interesting that that came up. So now I'm going to hit the next. So to be able to interact fully with the Dash platform, create a username, and you'll need some Dash in your wallet. So I have to go to the Dash faucet. I'm going to copy my Dash address. Alright, so I'm going to the Dash faucet here. I'm going to enter my Dash address here. And the CAPTCHA is not working, I guess. So I'm not sure what's going on with this CAPTCHA. It's not working. It doesn't look like it's showing me anything. Let's see what happens if I try to get coins without doing that. Yeah. So it says success. You have been awarded with 67.33 Dash. Well, I'm assuming it's test Dash. So let's go back. I'm going to get out of that screen. So now I can choose a username. So I'm going to choose Tao of Satoshi. So I'm going to confirm my username, Tao of Satoshi. Please match the requested format. So you can't have capital letters. You can only have lowercase letters and numbers only. So I'm going to do my lowercase Tao of Satoshi. There's my lowercase Tao of Satoshi. So now, again, I guess I'm having my username registered on the Dash platform now. I don't even have to know what I'm doing. I just register it, and all this stuff is going on behind the scenes. So that's pretty cool. So once again, this is an unedited experience. So you're seeing what you would see if that was coming. So now he's went back here. So now I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do now. So it says I'm going to go up here. So I guess right now I have I guess basically that just gave me an account on Dash platform, and now I have 67 Dash in my wallet on Dash platform, and I don't have any platform credits. So let's see what you can do here. So there's the Dash balance. I clicked it, nothing happened. My platform credits, I clicked it, nothing happened. So let's go to manage accounts. So select an account to work with. If I had more than one, I could go to my different accounts. Well, let's see what it gives you here. Nothing? Alright. So once again, guys, this is very basic, and but it did set me up with a wallet on Dash platform, and it did set me up with a username, and it was very easy to do. I just clicked on a couple of things, and that was it. So let's go to identity management. It says to interact with the Dash platform, you need an identity. Each identity can have one or more usernames. You can select your list from registered usernames below. Alternatively, you can create a new username with the Create Username button. Alright, so that's my username on Dash platform, and if I wanted to, I could create another username. So you have one identity but multiple usernames, so that's interesting. And I can view my backup phrase in case I didn't write it down the first time. I always recommend it, and with any wallet, if it gives you a 12-word seed phrase, that you write it down. Don't screenshot it, don't put it anywhere that you could lose it. write it down and put it somewhere secure. Maybe even make multiple copies if you have a lot of Dash in your account. Because this is only test Dash, I don't really care too much about it. But if you had a lot of Dash and you had a seed phrase, I definitely recommend that you take care to write it down and put it in many different places. And then I can also discard the wallet if I want to, but I don't want to. So yeah, this looks like it works. It's just a basic functionality of Dash platform. But if setting up a user account and a username and getting some more Dash is that easy, and sending Dash will be easy, then I'm really looking forward to what Dash platform is going to have out there. So thanks for joining me for this run through. Bye for now. So that was my quick tour of the Dash platform ecosystem and a test of an early dApp. I hope you enjoyed it. There's lots of development going on right now, but there's still way more to come. Are you a developer who would like to get started building on this interesting and innovative platform? Just see the links below in the channel description. I'm Christopher Carruthers, also known as Tao of Satoshi, and you've been watching Cash Alternative TV. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe and click the bell if you want to see more from me in Cash Alternative TV episodes. Until next time, remember, Dash is a better money for a better future, and that future is getting closer every day. Bye for now.
Cash Alternative.